par, mga gar. Yun na nga, tayo maglalaba today. Dahil linggo ngayon, errands muna tayo. Yee! What are you? Very active, very active. Up, side.
快点做！
Let's go yan.
Baby game na!
Ayun na nga mga idol, tapos na yung washer. Kukunin na natin, lalagay na natin sa dryer after nyan. Pero syempre, ang ginagawa ko, lagi kong hinihiwala yung mga pang-basketball kong shorts. Ayun no, Dayo Hoop merch. Yan, may available yan mga idol pag trip nyo. DM nyo lang ako. Sa Instagram, sa Facebook, whatever. So ayun, nihiwalay ko yung mga basketball shorts ko kasi iwas ako sa dryer. Kasi yung ibang shorts kasi, kahit magandang quality o kaya low quality, nagsishrink. So, hindi ko siya sinasama lagi sa dryer. Lagi kong hinihiwala yan. Pero minsan ko lang dryer yan, pero hindi naman siya nagshrink. So, good quality yung shorts natin. Pero, para sa akin, pang safe lang. Alam mo yun, huwag ko na lang isama. Press it, press it. Go inside, come on, let's go inside, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Whoa. Press it. Press it. Kian, press that one. Alis. Lo. Kian, press that one. Go. Press it, Kyle, go. Oh my god. What about you, Kian? Go press it. Right there, come on. Right there, it's not good. Come on. Go. You can do it. Go. You can do it. Go. Kian, press down. Go, Kian. What about this one? This one, Kyle. This one. Yo. That one. Come on, go in the front. Go in the front.
I found some scissors to cut me down from here, and then I'll turn you up in my place. Why, it's as simple as that. We'll have so much fun together.
So I'm with my kids. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, hi.
Hi. So scary. Kakatakot.
Who's gonna push that one? Isn't that one? Who's that?
Press it. Press it. Ayo. So yun nga mga idol, after namin maglaba, hindi na ako nakapag-video, na-skip lahat ng videos. Punta kami ng Halloween store para magsukat-sukat, magtingin-tingin. Yun. Tapos na kami maglaba. Ayun na, nakapaglaro. Papahinga na kami.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.